In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your email address in Hubstaff. If you need to update the email connected to your Hubstaff account, the process is straightforward, and I'll walk you through it clearly so you can make the change without any confusion. Before you begin, make sure you know your current account password, and keep in mind that if two-factor authentication is enabled, you may also need access to your current email inbox to complete the update. Start by logging into Hubstaff and looking to the top right corner of the screen. There you'll see the person icon next to your profile area. Click that icon to open the account menu. This is where Hubstaff keeps personal account options and settings related to your profile. Once the menu appears, click on My Account. This will take you to the section where you can manage your personal account details. If you don't land on the exact page right away, just stay in the account settings area and look for the email related options. From there, find and click on Change Email. This opens the form where Hubstaff allows you to update the email address associated with your login. At this stage, the platform is simply confirming that you're making a secure account change. Next, type in your password. This is an important security step that helps verify your identity before any changes are saved. Make sure you enter the password correctly, especially if you use a password manager or have multiple saved logins. After that, type in your new email address in the email field. Double check the spelling before moving on, because this email will become the new address linked to your Hubstaff account. It's a good idea to make sure the email is active and accessible so you can receive any future notifications or verification messages. Once everything looks correct, click Save. That will submit the change and update your account information. If your two-factor authentication is enabled, there's one more step. Hubstaff may require you to send a verification code to your current email address and then enter that code on the screen. If that happens, open your current email inbox, look for the message from Hubstaff, copy the code, and enter it exactly as shown to finish the process. And that's it. Your email address in Hubstaff should now be updated. If the change doesn't seem to apply right away, refresh the page or sign out and back in to confirm the new email is active on your account.